My name is microbrewery and I'm the founder and owner of Mikkeller. Mikkeller is a company, a small company that started 13 years ago in my kitchen. I started homebrewing in 2003, and then in 2006 I decided to go commercial and sell my beers. And today we are a company that owns 24 bars, restaurants and shops around the world.
I'm Peter Lawrence. I'm the head chef and meal planning manager for SAS. Well, we needed to improve our beers on board, and there was the obvious choice was to go with Mikkeller. Couldn't find anyone better or more suitable to produce our beers on board.
SAS is, in my opinion, one of the most iconic Scandinavian brands or companies. It's something that I grew up with and something that I've used for since I was born. It's also a company that in my opinion, challenge what companies normally do in terms of customer experience. So when I was asked to do a beer for the first beer for SAS, it was a no-brainer. It was, of course, I wanted to do that because it's something that I'm proud of as a Scandinavian and something that I use a lot. Plus, I can get good beer on Scandinavian Airlines now, so I'm happy. Before we started doing this collaboration with SAS, I wanted to taste my own beers at high altitude in order to see what happened to them and what changed. So I actually did a flight to the States where I brought 30 different varieties of my own beers and tasted them, which was very educational for me because a lot had changed, and I learned a lot about what happens at high altitude and what do you need to do in order to make them drinkable up there. There's a lot of the flavors that comes out a lot more, like bitterness, for example, in the beer comes out a lot more at high altitude for some reason. I don't know the scientific background, but we adapted that in our beers in order to make them more drinkable at high altitude.
Well, we just had the first high altitude beer tasting on board together after the festival in Boston. And after this we will be releasing a whole new series of beers that we call Wingpin series. It's going to be in a little bit smaller glass bottle than the one we have on the table here. It's going to be released in the beginning of next year. I'm really looking forward to that.